moving silent though. Hey, I'm moving silent though.
Ti hovorím, že keď budem veľký a ja si takéto volačo kúpim.
Let's see what we have here.
Hey, what? Moving silent though. Yeah. Hey, I ain't got no way. Hey, snakes get silence though. Hey, silence on my heater. Yo, bitch in my two-seater. Hey, yo, team need a new leader. Hey, I just pulled a 4 with my 2-liter. Hey, she called me a daydreamer. What? Rolling in the beamer, about the beam, I'm in the beamer, yeah.
Oh my god, I don't have any words for this. It will be a quite upgrade from this PC which I have now, which current value is like $200. And then there's this MacBook which value is like $3,000 or something. So yeah, it was a needed upgrade. I really don't have words for this. First turn on, let's see this guy. I think we can plug off those things. I've done the work that I needed on this machine and I'm grateful for it. Yeah. Let's put this beast into its new place. In fucking sick, man. Okay. Oh my fucking god, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to the gym where I will meet up with Andrew. After that, we will go back to my place and then do some work. I have some editing to do today and tomorrow we have some interesting plans. So let's get going. What's up?
Tea time. Tea time. Tea time, tea time, tea time. Tea time like I got a cup of this shit. Tea time like golf at 5:45. I love to fuck on a regular bitch. Famous hoes lame, but they stay on my dick. Heard your new joint is embarrassing shit. You talk to the cops on some therapist shit. You act like you love this American shit. Really the truth is you're scared of the sex. Yeah, you're scared of the sex.
So I just finished editing that wedding. Andrew behind the camera. And plan for the rest of this day is just to chill out a bit because we had a really good leg workout. I've done a solid 8 hours of work, and yeah, I just want to say that you really can achieve the things you really want to achieve. And this is a proof, I would say, at least for me. 3 months ago I didn't have this monitor. I also didn't have the MacBook, but I just worked my ass off and now I have it. Of course it will be for work, and of course I really hope that it will bring me at least like 10x of what I spend on it, and I try to spend all of my money that I earn back to my business. So yeah, I just want to say that you just need to add things day by day, do the daily habits, go to the gym, do that meditation, even when you don't feel like, especially when you don't feel like Hamza would say. So yeah. Tomorrow we will go do some hiking with Andrew. I'm pretty hyped out. We will just chill out for a bit now, as I said, and then we will go to sleep. See you tomorrow. Okay guys, so we just arrived to Nitra. Now we are going to Zobor, which is the mountain which we will hike. Okay, so we are now off the scooter. Here's Andrew. Say hi. Hi. From here it's like 2 kilometers to the bottom of the mountain, which we will be hiking. So fucking hot, and in reality it's not even that hot. It's like 23 degrees. Here's the Andrew. No t-shirt as well already. So hot. We were just talking with Andrew that we really appreciate the type of people that instead of like going to the club are going on this beautiful hike at this Saturday morning. Like we met 2 girls and it's like only 9 a.m. and they already went down from up there. So yeah, I really appreciate this kind of people. The best footwear for this type of terrain. Look at this guy with easy slides. By the way, hopefully we choose the right path, because there was 2 paths and Andrew said we should go the right one, but I said we need to go with the left one because there was an arrow on the tree, so we will see. Another arrow here and another there, so hopefully we are going to the right path. finally at the top. Now let's see where the other road is heading.
Fucking slides.
And so if I get it right, this should be the highest peak of this mountain, and the thing there was just a view spot.
I don't think I'm ever gonna let you be.
So yeah, I was right, this is the highest peak. Here's the Andrew.
After leg day.
Yeah, and here's the view. Pretty good, I would say. The one there was nicer, but this isn't bad at all as well.
Hi guys, Andrew here. I took Adam's phone, so I'm very excited because we are going to eat some sushi. This is gonna be my first time eating sushi, so I'm very excited. When the bus is coming. Hey bro, can I go with you?
Oh, of course, hop on right.
Nie podchodzę, nie zabiję do dna. Trochę są wypił, trochę super shot, but wait a minute while I make you mine. Darling, 지금 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy.
What's the red one, yeah. What are your thoughts on it?
This is the best. This is amazing.
Are you hungry, Andrew?
I'm full.
So what is your opinion on sushi, Andrew, after having it for the first time?
It was very salty,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm so full as fuck, and it was good.
So would you buy it again?
Yes, definitely. It was really good.
Approved by Andrew.
9 out of 10. And the soup
Oh, miso soup was so fucking good. It tasted like salmon.
Very salty was. Also really good.
Now let's go buy some drinks.